Hey, blockchain users. Today the market is trying to shake people out of their position, which is typical after we see a nice bullish move out of a low. So I'm still seeing a V-shaped recovery, but on the very short term, there are some danger signal, but very small one. So on the big picture, I remain very bullish. Over the weekend and Friday, we saw three closes above 60K. This is very good for the long term, for the big picture. It confirms mostly that this low is a final low and we will not be testing these prices again. And if so, it will be a higher low. But honestly, unlikely. So on the very short term, the fact that we are below 60K is a bad thing. And because of that, I wouldn't be too surprised if we test the 0.5 fib level of the current move up. Of course, that might not even happen. If today we see a close above 60K, then alright, the correction is already over and we are ready to move up. As I'm recording, you can see it's currently testing the resistance at 60K. So we want Bitcoin to go above that. If not, then we have support here because all tops can become new bottom around 58K. And of course, the 0.5 fib level being really important support. But honestly, as long as we stay above 55K, honestly, we are in a very good position. And I will be expecting a continuation to the upside, although it may take some time. The fear and greed index is showing some interesting signs, but you have to be really paying attention. So, as you may remember, on this day, which I was calling a very major low, and we've been moving out of it for now. Anyway, here, the reading for fear was at 17. And just to be clear, you have to take the day after because it lags by 1 day. Basically, you need to have the day completed to really know what the sentiment was. Anyway, so here, extreme fear. Now, on this bar, which was at a much higher price, we still had very high fear. So we are in a stronger position, yet the fear is still extreme. And now, what is even more interesting is yesterday, we are in a much stronger position as we've established in the previous section. We are above our 0.5 fib level, above this old top. Things were looking okay, yet the fear was very high. We had a reading of 24 yesterday, which is extreme fear, yet we are at higher prices. Now, this is a very good sign because when you are trading in the market, most people are wrong. So right now, most people are fearful, expecting lower prices, yet the chart is bullish. Now, this is good because you don't want to be agreeing with most people in the market. And me personally, I am bullish here because most people are actually bearish and afraid. So that's just one more good news for the big picture. I am releasing a big video later today, so if you have done the thing with the YouTube buttons, you will be notified. Anyway, I will see you next time.